Dr. Mahomva, I know the question that is uppermost in every parent's mind right now is, are schools going to open anytime soon? Is it safe for the children to go back to school?
There are many things that we need to look at when you say you want to open schools. Remember, the past few days, we had busloads of returning residents. And remember, a large percentage of positives that we're seeing actually coming from the UKs and so on and so on. So as long as we have those large numbers that are in quarantine areas, and specifically we have extended to actually include schools where we quarantine the returning residents, there's a balancing act there. If we open schools now, the question is, where are we going to put those large numbers that continue to come back? How do we manage isolating, quarantining those who are returning to make sure they don't spread the infection in Zimbabwe, and at the same time look at the schools that we're using to reopen and get our children to continue learning? So that balancing act is what we're looking at as we move forward to re-look at our coordination and what we do, how we do things on the ground.
Okay, coming to you, Dr. Leolin Katizira. He is a consultant physician and lecturer at the University of Zimbabwe College of Health Sciences. As a parent, as a doctor, what do you think? Should schools open anytime soon?
Look, I think it's a tricky one. Intuitively, my feeling is yes, schools should open fairly as soon as it is practical. The major issue that we need to remember is that children in themselves are not at a very high risk, not only of contracting COVID, but also of suffering complications. So the danger is not to the children, but the danger would be to the wider public. I see individual patients. Dr. Mahomva sees the hospital is the country. So to me, schools, one should move towards opening, but balance. And we also need to take cognizance of the fact that the new advent of online learning is going to benefit the affluent at the expense of the less privileged, who, by the way, are the majority in this country.